The bee's knees, unpacking an English gem. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase in the English language, the bee's knees. This quirky expression might sound strange at first, but it holds a special place in English idioms. Stick around as we explore its meaning, origins, and how you can use it to spice up your conversations. The bee's knees is a playful way to say that something or someone is exceptionally good, outstanding, or the highest quality. Imagine the best of the best, something so good it's hard to top. That's what this phrase encapsulates. It's often used to express admiration for someone's skill, personality, or an object's quality. The phrase, the bee's knees, originated in the United States during the 1920s, a period known as the Roaring Twenties. This era was famous for its unique slang. Interestingly, the phrase doesn't have a clear-cut origin related to actual bees or their knees, but was part of a trend of nonsensical, animal-related expressions like the cat's pajamas and the cat's whiskers, all meaning something is excellent or impressive. Incorporating the bee's knees into your language adds a fun and vintage flair to your speech. Here are a few examples. This new coffee shop is the bee's knees. Their lattes are unbeatable. I bought a vintage dress from the 1920s, and it's just the bee's knees. Have you heard her play the piano? She's absolutely the bee's knees. Notice how it can apply to people, places, or things, making it a versatile addition to your vocabulary. While the bee's knees might sound a bit old-fashioned to some, it enjoys a charming status in modern English, especially among enthusiasts of vintage culture and language. Its usage conveys a sense of warmth and affection, making it perfect for personal endorsements or expressing genuine enthusiasm about something. And there you have it, the story and charm of the bee's knees. This delightful expression from the 1920s has transcended time to remain a quirky and endearing way to praise something or someone. We hope you've enjoyed this linguistic journey and found it to be, well, the bee's knees. Keep exploring the richness of the English language, and don't forget to sprinkle your conversations with these historical gems. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.